Hazrat Fatima, Qais' daughter, states that her husband gave her 3 divorces. Allah's Apostle ﷺ decreed neither residence nor maintenance for her. Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha says that Allah's Apostle ﷺ said to her, "Notify me when your prescribed waiting period will terminate." She apprised Allah's Apostle ﷺ that Hazrat Muawiyah, Hazrat Abu Jahm and Hazrat Usama radiyallahu anhum had proposed her. Allah's Apostle ﷺ whereupon said, "Muawiyah is a poor man. He has got no property. As for Abu Jahm, he frequently thrash the women, so you should marry Usama," signaling rejection with her hand. Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha said, "Usama, Usama." Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, "Obedience to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle ﷺ is better for you." Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha said, "I married Hazrat Usama radiyallahu anhu and I was emulated." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3696.